Hi guys, today we are going to look at Cambridge IGCSE past paper. It's the version 21 for 0610 for 2021 May June. It's for paper 2. So let's get it on. Okay, number 1. What is a characteristic of all living organisms? This is an easy question, right? There are 7 characteristics of all living organisms. Movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion, and nutrition. So you just have to pick one that belongs to one of these 7 characteristics. So this answer should be D, sensitivity. Pretty easy peasy, right?